I was reminded of a lovely technique that I had learned from Bob at Mako. We were lucky enough to visit the Mako offices a little over a year ago, and I was able to learn this fantastic technique. So I was in a little shop. I saw this lovely packet of napkins and I thought, I'm going to tell all the people about this great thing that I know. Now we're going to be using it on a really fantastic shape, which is the new canister from Hobbies Craft, and it has this fantastic bamboo lid. So a really lovely item. So I'm going to come along and I'm going to look at my napkin. I've cut this part out really roughly just so that I've got less tissue to work with. I'm then going to come along and I'm going to paint the tissue in the picture. What I'm making is a glaze transfer. So I'm colouring this all in very nicely, and because the tissue is so absorbent, it's taking in a lot of the glaze. I'm not going to worry about the details on his nose because I know that I can add those in a little bit later. This is a mono printing technique. This means that you'll only be able to use this particular tissue, just the one. So I have my snowman essentially coloured in, and I'm going to lay it directly onto my pot. I'm going to make sure that it really adheres to the ceramic below. So we tap on, not rubbing, the water through the sponge all the way around the piece. Then I'm going to do like we do when we do other kinds of printing, is I'm going to keep my hand here and I'm going to peel it back and I'm going to have a little peek to see how we did. And if I've got a little bit of a gap like I do here, I can paint it. I'm not going to paint the whole thing because I really like the look of the printing. If I want to go in and make any of the other areas sharper or finer, then I can go in and I can add his little arms. And I don't have to be true to the actual picture. I can add my own arms wherever I want them to be. And I can make his hat a little bit sharper if I want to. But see how quickly that was achieved, just being able to print the picture on like this. How awesome was that?